Thina sasithi nje woza mhla ka-30 June asisakhulumi kakhulu. Sesithi woza mhla ka-30 June. Kunezinto eziterrible, kunezinto ezipainful, kunezinto ezibhlungu eziyokwenzeka mhla ka-30 June. Umhla ka-30 June kuyobe kuwusuku olukhulu kakhulu eSouth Africa, ngoba njengabahlali, njengama-citizen of this country, we are sick and tired. We are sick and tired. We have been expressing ourselves. We have been showing our concerns. We have been crying and mourning. We have been showing ukuthi njengama-citizens we are not happy, asijabulile, kodwa siya ignore. We have been ignored. Our political leaders are ignoring us. Our judicial systems are ignoring us. Njengama-citizen ase-South Africa, we feel like so neglected and abandoned. We are so abandoned and neglected. Sizowuthatha kumthetho ngomhla ka-30 June. Sizowuthatha impela umthetho mhla ka-30 June. Sinxusa nje amaphoyisa ukuthi asebenzisane nathi, ngoba asifuni ukuthatha umthetho wawo siubeke ezandleni zethu, kodwa sifuna ukulekelela wona amaphoyisa ukuzama ukulawula isimo. Ubugebengu sebungaphezulu kwamaphoyisa esinawo eSouth Africa. Amajele agcwele, awasekho amajele okuvalela izigebengu zangaphandle kwalelizwe kulelizwe. Njengamanje kusuka i-illegal foreigner ibulale ingane yakamakhelwane ngenxa yokuthi emajele kugcwele. Leyo illegal foreigner uphinde uyibone futhi ngakusasa seyidlwengula usisi wakamakhelwane ngenxa yokuthi amajele agcwele. The same illegal foreigners iphinde futhi uyibone seyibanjwa amaphoyisa, seyikade ibamba inkunzi ngesibhamu esingekho emthethweni ngenxa yokuthi amajele ase-South Africa agcwele. The same criminal amaphoyisa aphinde asidedele, sidedelwe amanye amapholisa ama-criminals wayiwona ngentshontsho, agwazise izigebengu ukuthi zingaboshwa iphume, zifike la kwi-society isigebengu sithungathe labantu abebisibophisile sibabulale isigebengu. Ubugebengu eSouth Africa sebungaphezulu kwamaphoyisa esinawo. Mhla ka-30 June sicela ukuthi amaphoyisa avumele i-South African citizens ukuthi babalekelele. Mhla ka-30 June siyobe silekelela nje amaphoyisa kunoma yini eyobe yenzeka. Kuyobe kuyithina ama-South Africans silekelela umthetho, silekelela amaphoyisa. Kukuwo-ke ukuthi wona ayomelana yini nathi. Angazi ukuthi njengoba eyimbijana nje waphela amaphoyisa ase-South Africa awafiki inamba nje yawo wonke ephelele ayifikile ngisho ku-500,000. So angazi ukuthi ayoyenzani iSouth Africa. Mengase nje amaphoyisa athi ayamelana nathi mhla ka-30 June, angazi mina ukuthi ayobe mangaki lawo maphoyisa lawo. Ngoba lento esiyobe siyenza mhla ka-30 June akusiyinto esiyobe siyiqala, into esake sayenza. So siyawanxusa ukuthi amaphoyisa awasebenzisane nomphakathi ukuze uzame ukuqedwa ubugebengu ezweni lethu. Mhla ka-30 June siyobe siphume inkalo zonke thina njengama-South Africans. This is not about Zulus, Msunyonyoko, any tribalist, any tribalist. This is not a Zulu thing. This is a South African thing. lamalebe lawa iphuqephuqe lezinja lezi iqeqebana laseLimpopo ngoba akusiyona iLimpopo yonke le nalengqondo ebolile akusiyona iLimpopo yonke bakhona abantu baseLimpopo abanezingqondo ezihlakaniphile ababonayo ukuthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa bese kuba khona leli iqeqebana elinomlomo omkhulu laseLimpopo elisanganayo elinukisa umlomo yonke indawo le funa ukunitshela ukuthi nina Limpopo people and associated with the illegal foreigners mhla ka 30 June niyoyihudela niyoyinyela msunyonyoko but those Limpopo people abathi we are true South Africans we are for South Africa we are fighting for our thing our country in our country we are fighting for our rights. We are fighting for our country. We are protecting our country for generations to come. Those Limpopo people. Abanaleyo ngqondo ehlakaniphile kanjalo. Siyobe sinabo mhla ka 30 June. Ngoba this is a South Africa thing. This is not a Zulu thing. ISouth Africa kuyona yamaZulu. ISouth Africa yama-South Africans. So ngiyanibiza ke phansi ko Cape Town ukuthi mhla ka 30 June phansi ko Limpopo phansi ko North West ko Free State Mpumalanga ko Eastern Cape mhla ka 30 June ko Northern Cape mhla ka 30 June ko Pretoria yonke South Africa sithi mhla ka 30 June zonke igebengu zangaphandle azihambe sisho njalo mhla ka 30 June sithi ayihambe zonke igebengu ngena amaphepha nezinamaphepha uma nje uyisigebengu esifikile kulelizwe mhla ka 30 June ziyokushubela izinto hamba manje ungakashaya umhla ka 30 June hamba ubuye sewuright sewuphetha ama document akho sewuzokwenza into esile eSouth Africa bazositshela thina ukuthi udayisa otamatisi estradini amasimba lawo hlanganapho nanokudayisa otamatisi estradini ungazositshela ukuthi wena unesaluni eSouth Africa amasimba lawo hlanganapho namasaluni wena eSouth Africa ngazositshela ukuthi wena thina mawungabe uyi foreign eSouth Africa kumele ube specialist kuphela kumele ube specialist la eSouth Africa bawu2 abantu aba foreign la eSouth Africa aba welcomed 1 abantu abashadile la eSouth Africa ngoba indoda mayishada iyamlanda umfazi wayo kubo iyamlanda imlethe kubo kwayo indoda so uma ngabe kunabafazi base Africa bangaphandle abashade amadoda ase South Africa those women are welcome in our country uma ngabe nje ushade eSouth Africa you are from Nigeria you are from Zimbabwe you are from Mozambique you are from Somalia you are from Congo you are from anywhere in this continent kodwa ushade indoda yase South Africa you are welcome in fact you are a South African because ngokwe South African culture umfazi mayeshada isibongo sakhe siyaphela ebese ebiza isibongo sendoda yakhe so uma ngabe umfazi wa outside South Africa kodwa ushade nendoda eli South African wena awuselona iforeign usuyi South African uma ngabe wasukela uSuthu wafika washada eSouth Africa awuseyena umSuthu wena usuyileso sizwe saleyo ndoda oyishadile mangabe ushade umpedi usumpedi wena mangabe ushade umZulu usumZulu mangabe ushade umXhosa usumXhosa